And here's your Tuesday stars. Venus moves from your sign and leaps into Aries, and that for you is about money. You're entering a period now of prosperity, so make it work for you. Now, when I say prosperity, I'm also talking about self-worth. If you value yourself and you know that what you've got to offer, and you don't sell yourself cheap, but you don't equally go over the top and outprice yourself, then this can be a time when you really make your mark. It's a brilliant time to invest in yourself, in clothes, in an image, in something that enhances and enriches your presentation. Because if people like what they see, they'll want to take it further. But it's also good to invest in anything artistic or creative. Maybe something that you want to do that can earn you money later. There's all kinds of things now that will add to your prosperity, including just the fact that there will be financial offers that I know you won't refuse.